Okay, so good morning, students. So today we are going to learn the moving average filter. So this will be applicable everywhere where we will be doing the post processing of raw signal. So currently we are working on PPG signal. So after getting the raw signal, how to implement the how to filter some unwanted noises and how to smooth a discrete signal. So normally all the output, that means all the value of the sensor which is read by ADC is happening with a time interval. Okay, so where I kept that TN. Yes. So we are taking the PPG signal output with a time stamping, and we will try to process the data. So you know who already studied the difference equation. So say now, for example, for 3 sample I want to take average and I want to go for the next, like that. If I want to move, so the present, previous and the next, these 3 sample I will take average and I will go move for every instance. If I want to do that, so I can write a difference equation that yn that is equal to x n minus 1 plus xn plus xn minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, now we will just come to the difference equation. You see here, if the jet transform, now I am coming to the jet transform. I think all you know about the jet transform. So if z of un, it's a sequence, is u of z, then z of u plus 1 is equal to z into uz minus the initial u0. Okay, the initial value of the 0th sample. Similarly, z un plus 2, that is equal to z square into uz minus u0 minus u1 z to the power minus 1. So these are the things. So similarly, u of n minus 2, so accordingly this should be z to the power minus 2. Okay, so you can read this z transform and its application in a difference equation, that you can read it from this B.S. Grewal book. Okay, so now if I take the z transform, so if I tell this is y of z, that is equal to z to the power minus 1 into xz. Okay, here I will take 1/3 common. Okay, here it is xz and here z into xz. Okay, so now now if I take this xz common, so what will be there? So it will be your yz by xz is equal to z to the power minus 1, that means z plus 1 plus z. So basically that is z square plus z plus 1 by z. So this is the transfer function. Okay, so now let us see where the data. So this data actually this is captured using hyperterminal. So already I told Sharan to explain that how to do that here. So what I will do, I will paste it and I change the current directory so that thing should come here. See this come. So I will define a data type, a variable, sorry, d is equal to xls read the file name test.csv. Okay, so here first column is the sensor output and the second column will be the time in milliseconds. Okay, so if I write this numerator of this equation, so in a vector form, so z square coefficient is 1, z coefficient is 1, and constant part is also 1. So sorry, here it will be 3, 1 3 it will be there. Okay, is it this one? And your numerator denominator, that should be 0 3 0. Okay, so this is the transfer function representation. So now it has come. So now I will isolate the value that should be, I will define some range, say 200 to 600, some 400 I will take, and the first column. Then the time also I will take the same, d 200 sample to 600 sample, and the second column. Now let us plot it. So t comma v, if I plot, see you are getting this one, but this is some unwanted things are there. So what I will do, I will limit the value to y limit. So this is around 20, 330, so 325. So y limit, sorry, y limit 325 to 340. You see, now I am getting the signal, but it is something like this. So I want to smooth it. I want to do the smoothening. So let us see how to do that. Already we understand the numerator is 1 1. If I use a moving average filter of window length 3, so that's your numerator is this one, and denominator is 0 3 0. Now I will define another variable y, which is filtered output, numerator comma denominator comma v. If I do that, so now that the first denominator, the first denominator filter function must be non-zero. So top is, let me see once again. Okay, so I can write it, this is 3z plus 1. So rather than that, I can write it, my denominator is 3 and 0. So now my y is equal to filter numerator, denominator and v. These things I am filtering out. Now if I plot, let us plot this y comma t. Let us see how it is. Sorry, ulta ho gaya. So plot t comma y, t comma y. So again I will change that. So sorry, plot, okay, what I will do, plot t comma v comma t comma y. Okay, then I will set the y limit, this is 325 to 345. If we do that, you see now compared to the blue signal, it is somewhat filtered out. Okay, now if you use more the filter of more window size, so it will be much more continuous. You will get a peak. So you can take now what I will request you, now you can take that, I think that Sharan can send all, or who got the sensor, they can take a set of value and try to find out after filter, that peak, this peak difference, so this axis is in millisecond. So what is the time difference of this? What is the time difference of this? All the highest peak after filtering, good filtering. So here now for example, let us see my numerator. I am putting window length increasing 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 कर दिया. My denominator then और नीचे आ जाएगा 6 and 0. Now my y is equal to filter numerator denominator then v, okay, then plot t comma v comma t comma y, then my y limit, that should be 325 to 345. If I do that, see my signal in compared to the earlier, it is become much more better. So now I would like to request all of you to read about. So now I will give you the assignment. So number 1, you should read about, all should read about jet transform. Simple jet transform, then difference equation and its jet transform, then moving average filter, then the selection of window size, and process the data whatever yesterday Sharan took the sample of the PPG signal. Once this is done by everybody, you should be very clear why it is happening. You should not, because these are the things now right now we are doing in MATLAB, but finally we will be doing it in Python. We have to do it. So you should be very careful. You should be very clear for your understanding. Okay. So hope this is okay for you. So anything you can text me or you can call me also. Anything if you are not able to understand. Okay. Thank you so much.